Thanks for clicking on this link. Hi, I'm Chris. In less than a minute, I'm going to show you all about tutorials in Iorad and why they can make your life a lot easier. You need to do with understanding, to-do tasks on a computer with a mouse and a keyboard. Tutorials are a simple way to walk you through that. You can do it and then be done, or do it with understanding and be done. Let me show you one for an example. This is a help center that we've created. I'm going to click on these public tutorials. They're all public. You can search Google and find them all by name. LinkedIn, how to edit a public URL. Cool. It says right here, it's 7 steps under a minute. That's ideal for us. I'll click through and there'll be narration.
Click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click View Profile.
Cool.
Click Edit Public.
Cool.
Click the Edit in the
Cool.
text box. You'll be able to type. Click Save.
Awesome.
That's it.
That's it. That's all there is to it. It's that simple. If you're interested in Iorad tutorials, reach out to us. We can help you with them. Thanks for watching.